that time is endless, but we always forget that we won't start over this moment. Thinking that a long day ahead is the standard answer, but always forgetting that stopping abruptly is the norm of life. All encounters in the world are reunions after a long separation, but unfortunately we always understand too late.